How to fix the error message failed to send on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings. The very first thing you want to do is switch your network. If you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and then you can check whether you can send the message or not. Now heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option messages. You'll see the option of iMessage. Toggle off for this option, wait for a few seconds and again enable it. Scroll down, toggle on for this option of MMS messaging. Now head back to the main page of settings, go to the option general, go to the option date and time. Make sure you have toggle on for this option of set automatically. Likewise, go to the main page of settings. Now enable airplane mode for a few seconds and again toggle it off. Now you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards next solution, scroll down, go to the option general, scroll all the way down, open the option transfer or reset iPhone, click on the option reset, click on reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. This is how you can fix the error message failed to send on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.